people, this is the coolest minister on the street. With the minister of Makunya on the Pros TV, Kasi, Mayhem TV, the Pros TV on TV, Orlando Pirates. Stellenbosch. It's Stellenbosch, seen a red card. Put what do you make of the game today?
Hey, for it. Yeah, and I'm disappointed. Disappointed. I like it out. I like yeah, but I'm happy man who could man a boil and daughter. Aye. Good man Musel, the river, but in full of tree. I don't die, boil and daughter. So I go sharp and daughter. So was a computer for Champions League, the net bang into it. Sports to Muslim number 2, top 8 is a corner, net bang.
Ingade kuthiwa kunebhenki kwakhona ehlobo lidlala nizulibona.
Batshoyo ndoda.
Bathi marumo igquba nithela ngo2-0 nizawuvuna njani? Nihluthwa sister Stellenbosch na 10 players. Nizakwenza njani? 9 in the field.
No, you can't compare Marumo Galaxy na Stellenbosch man.
But this is like Marumo in better 2-0.
Isuka ku 8-1 nayo. Sayiphinde it's a payback time. It's a payback time. Siyabuya.
So ke ngubani ozobuyisa kunebhenki?
Futhi ntwana. Jonga mfethu thina sikwi-final already.
Hayi! Nidlala yona kwi-final.
Andiyazi bakowina abani lemigqubo naphi. Yabona onaphi. Hayi. Andiyazi bakowina abani. Maybe Sundowns yeah.
Who's your man of the match kwi-Pirates today?
Goodman Musel, River.
And if you had to take out one player on today's starting lineup, who would you take it out and then replace by Ungepi play?
Udlamini.
Udlamini
nifaka uTito. Yeah.
Starting lineup.
Udlamini usharp xa eza ngasemva mfethu. Yabona Udlamini xa eza ngasemva.
Okay.
Number 1. Not xa eqalayo.
Ah sure. So what message do you have to Amapakani and the football supporters of Cape Town?
Hey, sathi namapaka mawalindele istar. Yeah, istar sesibini thina sathatha. Yeah, ujonga thina sisithathela itop 8 yethu sesithathile, sathatha iNetbank yethu, sihlale ku number 2 zindawo zethu ezo. Siyothatha istar sesibini. Sundowns idala siye eAfrica inoba baye for 8 baye kangapi? 8 times. But abayanga ke final. Yeah,
but you know me nobuhlungu kwangani ngona ibreak ayinikeze Kaizer Chiefs, but the last team yafika ku final Kaizer Chiefs South Africa.
Naba bazazi bobafika njani.
Hayi bodayilwa kodwa
abayazi
yawulwa nalombuto abayazi.
Bane cup yamaplanga bane cup yecenke.
Sure, yeah.
Thanks a lot. Amapakania, Kaizer Chiefs.